Okay, so today's topic will be constructor overloading. So in previous topics we have already seen what do you mean by method overloading. What do you mean by method overloading, Shifa? Overloaded method or method overloading. What do you mean by overloaded method or method overloading, Shifa?
Sir, using same method name but different type of parameter
Okay,
in same
different type of parameter, only
in same
types,
within same class.
only types.
A number of parameters.
Yes. So we already know what do you mean by method overloading. Within same class, if we use more than one method, differ with number of parameters or type of parameter. So that is called as method overloading, right? So constructor overloading is nothing but if we use more than one constructor in the same class, but that should be differ with the number of parameters and type of the parameter, that is called as constructor overloading. ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಓವರ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಓವರ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ಓವರ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್? ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿದಿನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ವಿತ್ type of parameter or number of parameter is called as constructor overloading. Okay, so example for this is as we know every program start execution from the main method string args. Okay, so if I create object like this, demo d is equals to new demo, then tell me which constructor will get execute. Default constructor will get execute. Okay, so at this line our output will be high. So if I write something like this, demo d1 is equals to new demo 10 comma 20.0, then what will be our output? Which constructor will get execute? This is integer, this is double. Now tell me this the constructor which should take two parameters, one is of type integer, one is of double. Tell me which constructor will get execute.
Sir, it should be float, sir.
It should be float. Okay, next anybody else? Means according to the Swati, at this line we will get the error. Is it so, Ishwar?
No, sir.
Yes, Ishwar.
It is
The at this line whether we will get error or it will get execute.
Error, sir.
Error, fine. Then Sahana, are you there? Illa, Sahana illa. Okay. Shifa,
Yes, sir.
what, whether we are getting error at this line?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vijay,
No, sir. A constructor which have parameters integer and float will get it.
integer and float, this will get execute. Okay. See, while,
Yes, sir.
while discussing about the methods now, I told you char, byte, short, int, long, float, double. ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. ಈಗ ನೆನಪು ಬಂದದ. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಪಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಬಲ್. ಸಿ, ಡಬಲ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಅದ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎರರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಭಾಗ್ಯ, ಈಶ್ವರ್, ಸ್ವಾತಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. ವಿಜೇತ್, ಓಕೆ. ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಬಲ್, ದೆನ್ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಎರರ್, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕಂಪೈಲರ್, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು,
Yes, sir.
ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಇಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಂಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಇಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಇಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಐತು, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಕೈತಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಐತಿ, ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತಿ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೈಜ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಕೈತಿ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೈಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಇದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗತೈತಿ, ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗತೈತಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಡೇಟಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So this is not possible. This is not always recommended to write the right. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ವಿಜೇತ್?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so I should pass float type. Float means I will mention as f. Now it will get execute for sure. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So demo d2 is equals to new demo. I will be passing. Hey, tell me whether this line will get executed or not.
Yes, sir. It will execute, sir.
It will execute. And can you tell me what will be the error? Sorry, what will be the output?
Sir, A only will
A only will come. Anybody else?
zero.
Zero.
Zero, sir.
Wait.
Zero, sir. Default will.
Default will. Okay, I will come one by one. Ishwar, what will be the error? Sorry, what will be the output? ಮೊದ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಕೈತ?
It will execute, sir.
No, I am asking to Ishwar. Ishwar,
Yes, it will execute, sir.
it will execute. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ? Because the character size is which constructor will get execute? Which takes one parameter. It is taking one parameter, so surely this will get execute. Why? Because the size of the character is less than the size of the integer. That's why this will get executed without any error. That's fine. What will be the error? Sorry, what will be the output? Okay, Ishwar ಏನು ಹೇಳಾಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಭಾಗ್ಯ, what will be the
Yes. Yes, sir.
A? Okay. A, Then Vijay, what will be the output?
A, sir.
A. Sahana, what will be the output? Sahana is there or not? She is not there. Okay. Shifa, what will be the output?
Yes, sir.
A. Swati, what will be the output?
0.
0. See, the output is ಯಾವುದು ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ the ASCII value of A will be printed. What is the ASCII value of small a?
65.
No, 97 ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ.
91.
97. So ASCII value of small a is 97. So the output will be 97 at this line. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
this
sir.
this is the example for the constructor overloading. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Fourth chapter ಒಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಉಳಿದಾವ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ. Constructor needs for constructors, types of constructor overloading, copy constructor, constructors and methods, and exercise. Okay, so I guess there is examples on constructor in your textbook. Please go through that program. If you find any difficulties, let me know.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, there are also destructors, sir.
Destructors ಇದಾವ.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Only characters are given, sir.
Okay. Okay, we will discuss, don't worry. Yes, go through the examples which is on constructors and constructor overloading. If you find any difficulties, let me know.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can we declare inside the constructor that A is equal to 0 like this, sir?
Yes, 102% you can. We
But
can.
if we
Yes.
if we do the arguments, then what will be executed, sir? 0 or the arguments passed, sir?
Wait.
Which will be printed, sir?
This is our parameter as a constructor, right? And
Yes, sir.
assume that this is my instance variable. Okay, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು?
Sir, if we initialize inside this constructor values is equal to 0.
Okay, which
Variables
value?
are 0.
Whether the local variable, that is parameter value, or instance variable value?
Sir, new variable from
A new variable means you can assign the value that is stored in A. This is also
yes,
possible,
sir.
or you can also write like this, no problem. In I guess you remember in yesterday's class ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 75, height is equals to something 7.5 and weight is equals to something 1 ಅಂತಿತ್ತು, ನೆನಪದ?
Yes, sir.
So what we are doing here, we are assigning the instance variable with some values. It means we can assign instance variable with specific values inside the constructor. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir. But after creating an object, we will give the values, no, sir.
After
As an
creating the,
argument.
okay, for example, demo d is equals to new demo a and b means 10 comma 20, right? So this 10 will be stored here and this 20 will be stored here. So if we write this statement, no, whatever the value stored in a value, that will be assigned to instance variable p. If we don't write this, whether we are assigning a values to p, no, what we are assigning, we are assigning 10. So 10, ultimately 10 will be stored in p. There is a value in a and b, but we are not using. Clear ಆಯ್ತು?
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೋಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. Okay, we are not using. If we want, we can use by writing this statement, p is equals to a, means whatever is there in a, no, that will be copied into instance variable p, but we are not using. Instead of using this value, I will be assigning with some other value. This is also acceptable, no issues. Pass ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, that is compulsory, but using these values is not compulsory. It is according to our requirements. If we need, we can use, otherwise we can leave it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any other doubts?
No, sir.
ಶಿಫಾ, ಸ್ವಾತಿ, ಸಹನಾ, ವಿಜೇತ್, ಈಶ್ವರ್?
No, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ನಾಗಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ? Go through all the examples which is on constructor and constructor overloading. So ಏನರ difficulties ಬಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, we will discuss here. ನೋಡಾಕತ್ತಿರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ನಾಗ?
Yes, sir, we are seeing.
Okay. Shifa, Vijay, Bhagya and Ishwar. Go through the examples which
Yes,
are
sir.
there in your textbook, and if you find any difficulties, let me know. ಇಲ್ಲ? If no doubts means we will end this session here itself. Tomorrow we will continue with the new topic that is called as copy constructor.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ಸೊ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ then. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.